Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you exactly how to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 11 so you can get more precise cursor control, and now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button on your taskbar to open the Settings app. This is where you manage all the main system settings in Windows. Step 2. In Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left menu. This section controls all your connected devices, including your mouse and other peripherals. Step 3. Scroll down on the right side and click Mouse. Here you can adjust the basic settings for your mouse, like pointer speed and scrolling behavior. Step 4. Click Additional Mouse Settings under Related Settings. This opens the classic Mouse Properties window where you can access advanced mouse options. Step 5. In the Mouse Properties window, go to the Pointer Options tab. This tab controls how your pointer moves and reacts on the screen. Step 6. Under Motion, uncheck Enhanced Pointer Precision. This disables Windows pointer acceleration, giving you a smoother and more consistent cursor movement. Step 7. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. This makes sure your new settings are applied immediately so your mouse works exactly how you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips and tricks.